We've seen the videos of the people popping popcorn with their cell phones. Check this out, follow me. You put the cell phone in front of the microwave. If you could zoom in on the keypad. Okay?
Okay.
Apparently, you can dial your cell phone with the microwave. Hit power, area code 1916. Number. They hit start. And the microwave's apparently
Look at that.
what the hell?
Oh, it works.
That is weird.
There's no way.
I can't believe it.
Now you know when your dinner's done. It'll call you.
That's messed up, isn't it?
That's cool.
Take that popcorn.